Hello guys, and welcome to another Laravel video tutorial. So today we're going to take a look at how to customize your Laravel registration forms. This is based on a request from a viewer on this page, so if you have any issues that you'd like me to address in Laravel, kindly post them in the comments below and I'll do a video addressing your problems. So as you can see, this is the default Laravel registration forms. And over here we have your name, the email address, the password, and then the confirmation of the password. So our viewer was asking if he's supposed to add extra fields to this registration forms, say a username or a phone number. How would he do this the best way? So today that's our aim for this video. So let's just jump into it. First of all, you open your project up. This is my project, and I've created a database called register. So over here I have my database, the register database. It's a new database. So I just changed it over here so it connects to my database. Then the next thing to do would be to look at the fields we're going to put in. So first of all, we'll need a phone number field and then a username field. But let's go to our user model and modify that first. So over here, and we're going to add the fields for the phone number. Let's just say phone. And then another one for username. Yeah, so we have them over here. The next thing to do would be to go to our controller. So in the controllers over here we have the auth controller, and then we have the register controller. This is where we'll be working from. And as you can see over here, it's asking and validating for the name, the email, and the password. So we're going to add another field for the phone, yeah. And I think we're going to require, yeah, it's required. First of all, it's a string. Secondly, and we'll give it a minimum of, or a maximum value of, let's say 15. Yeah, let's just say maximum of 15. So there we are for the phone. The next one will be the username. The username is also required, and that will be a string as well. And then let's see, we'll give the username a minimum value of 6 characters. 6 characters. I forgot my comma, sorry. 6 characters, and yeah, that will be unique as well to users. So we're done with the controller. The next thing to do will be to go to our migrations table, our user migrations table, and factor that in as well. So over here we have our user migrations table, and we can see the name, email, and then the email verified and the password over here. So let's just say we're going to add for the phone number and the username. So over here we have username and phone. Yeah, so there we go. And finally, we'll go to our blade, which is our interface over here. We're going to create the fields for those over here. So there'll be a place for us to input that. So we're going to go to our resources, and then our views, our auth, and then our register.blade.php. So in the register.blade.php, you can see we have our password field, our password input field over here, and I'll just copy the one for the email and we'll change certain things in there. So I'll just paste that twice, and then the very first one will be for our phone. So we're going to call this phone. Let's just put the phone over here, and it's going to be for phone first of all. From there, the ID phone, we're not working with JS, but let's just change that, and the type will be a text. Let's just put text over here. Form control. So what we're just doing is creating a new input field for the phone, and the name is phone. Yes, that's very important. The phone here, the value. Yeah. Let me just clear that. Okay. So the next one will be for our username. Our username. And the label is for username. Hold on a minute. Yeah. The label is for the username. Forgive my N key. This is problem with my N key. The type is a text. Sorry, forgive me. And the name, username, because that's what we have in the database. Okay, so autocomplete. No. So yeah, so that should be it. Username, yes, and I think we're done over here. Yes, so that's pretty much it. So now we're going to take a look at yes, that's it. So now we're going to run a migration. So we're just going to PHP artisan migrate. Sorry, my N key keeps messing up. PHP artisan migrate, yes. So our migration has been created, and now you can see we have the name, the email, the phone, the username, password, and the password confirmation. So if we come to our database and we come to our tables, you should see that in the users table it has appended the username and the phone as well. So let's just try and input some details into the database and register a new user. Let's just see. So we'll just call this admin, and the email will be admin@one.com. The phone number, let's just say, yeah. Then the username will be admin100. Password, and password. So database name seems incorrect. Let's see. So let's go to our env folder and see what the problem is quickly. Over here it's register, and over here it's register as well. Okay, so the problem here is we have to restart our server. That's the only problem here. So let's just, and then we'll start the server all over again, and I'm pretty sure that should solve the problem. Okay, so let's get started. We'll call that admin password admin at 100.com or 1000, whichever. Okay, our phone number. Password is password. Okay, the field username does not have a default value, so insert into users name, email, password, updated at, created at, values admin at 1000. So what's happening here is it's still not taking those fields. So a quick checkup on this, and we should see where the problem is coming from. Yes, it's coming from here, the create function. We forgot to place in our um, email and our username and password here. So it's not able to create data for this field. It's not able to accept the data for these fields since we've not indicated them here. So username here, and then the next one will be for the phone number. So we'll just call that phone. Yes, and phone. Yeah, so that should be it. We're done. And so it has worked now. And now if we come to our database and refresh it, you'll find out everything has gone through. So thank you very much, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new, if you have any issues you'd want me to address in Laravel, kindly post them in the comments below and I'll do a video regarding that. And thank you all for 10 subscribers. I hope we grow and build a great community over here on YouTube. So like, share, subscribe, do whatever, and have fun. Keep coding. So see you next time. Bye.